Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and English. In today's class, we are going to understand the use of as. As can be a conjunction, preposition and adverb mainly. So today we will discuss the meaning of as and how can we use it. We can use as in the place of like, when, as much as if, since, just like, that, so that, various, in the same way, as soon as, whenever, so, because, whatever. These all words can be meaning of as in different conditions. Now let's come to the rules and sentences. We use as when two things happen at the same time. For example, you came as we were working. Here two activities are happening at the same time. You came and we were working. Next is she cooked food as I was sleeping. Here are also two activities are happening at the same time. Cooking and sleeping. So here we are connecting two activities with the help of as. So result is we can use it when two activities are happening at the same time. Our rule number 2 is we can also use it when we are talking about two identical things. For example, my daughter is the same age as you. Next is this dress is the same color as mine. We can connect it with the help of as because we are talking about two same things. In first sentence we are talking about same age and the second sentence we are talking about same color of dress. We use as to connect result with its cause. So we can also use if we are talking about result. We want to connect result with its cause. For example, I went Delhi as I had to go in my cousin's wedding. So why did she go Delhi? Because she had to go in wedding. So here in first sentence we are talking about result that she went Delhi, and in the second sentence we are talking about cause. Next is I bought this car as I have to win the race. In first clause I bought the car is result, and in second clause I have to win the race is cause. Here we are using as in the sense of because. We are telling the reason. Our next rule is one event happens while another is in progress. So you can also use it when one activity has completed and you are doing another activity or someone is doing another activity. For example, she has completed her task as I was doing. In first clause, task has completed, but in second clause, task is going on. Next is I have written a report as she was panting. Similarly here, one activity has completed and second is going on, like she has written a report but she was printing still. So we can connect it with the help of as. We can also use it if we are talking about job and functions, like she works as doctor. Here we are talking about job. Next is he elected as a chief minister. We can use it with job, designation, function. I hope you understand the uses of as and you can use it in your sentences. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share the video.